A potential client reaches back out to you after reaching out to brands for the last 2 weeks. You open up the email and it says, "Hey, we really love your work. Let's go. Let's collab in exchange for the product."
Try again.
Depending on where you're at in your journey, collabs can be okay. Not only can you help work on your portfolio, you can build relationships with that client, and you get a free product out of it. But for a lot of people, that's not what we're looking for. We want to get paid. So the question is, how do we respond to this? There's a few ways to go about that. One of the ways that I may approach this kind of conversation would be like, "Hey brand, thanks for reaching back and considering me as a potential partner. I do have other work lined up with other clients, and I don't feel that I have the time to put in my full creativity towards a collab at this moment. However, I do believe that I can add a lot of value to your brand and would love to build a rapport with you. What kind of deliverables are you looking for? I feel that we can find a package that suits your needs along with your budget." There's 2 things that I wouldn't do though. 1, not answering. And 2, I wouldn't respond like, "Hey, I don't do collabs anymore. Do you want my rates?" Really want to work hard to try to word your verbiage correctly and control the conversation. Asking a yes or no question to the brand will give them an opportunity for them to say no. Now, if you really don't care about how the conversation goes, you can always respond with, "Hey, free exposure isn't going to pay the bills." Mic drop.